Fire from heaven. David became a great king. Then his son Solomon reigned. After Solomon died, God's people had many bad kings. King Ahab was one of the worst. His wife Jezebel worshipped the false god Baal. Jezebel persuaded Ahab and God's people to worship Baal too. Because of their sins, God stopped the rain for several years. Then he sent his prophet Elijah to King Ahab. You have disobeyed God and worshipped Baal, Elijah said. Tell everyone, including the prophets of Baal, to meet me on Mount Carmel. I will prove who the true God is. Everyone gathered on the mountain. Then Elijah said to the people, Make up your mind, if the Lord is God, follow him. However, if Baal proves himself today, follow him. Baal's prophets and I will each kill a bull, place it on an altar and pray. The God that sends fire to burn up the bull is the true God. Baal's prophets went first. They prayed to Baal all morning. No fire came. Maybe Baal is sleeping. Elijah laughed. Shout louder. So Baal's prophets shouted all afternoon. Still nothing happened. Elijah built an altar. He put the bull and the wood on it. He dug a ditch around it. Then he had water poured over everything until the ditch was full. Elijah prayed. Immediately fire fell from heaven. It burned up the bull, the wood, the stones and the water. The people bowed down and cried, The Lord is God. What did God send from heaven to prove that He alone is God?